Another type of function, and we define the greatest integer function, we can use this notation, which looks like a couple of brackets. And this is equal to the greatest integer less than or equal to x. What this function really does is round down. Normal rounding, you look at 0.5 for their decimal, and that indicates how you round your number from there. When you round down, what you do for positive values is cut off the decimal. For negative values, you're going to round down to the next negative integer. For example, if we wanted to know the greatest integer function, and I'm just going to use a single bracket here, of 3.1, that's going to be equal to 3. 3.9, that's going to round down to 3. 3.14, round down to 3. If I have 0.5, the integer that is less than or equal to 0.5 is 0. If I look on the negative side at negative 3.1, that's going to round down to negative 4. If we look at a number line and we have negative 4 and we have negative 3, negative 3.1 would be somewhere around here. We would round down to this next integer value that's less than or equal to x that's in our greatest integer function. Negative 10.2 would go to negative 10. Any integer that you have won't change the value because it's the next integer that's less than or equal to itself. So all of these are also completely okay. This is also known as the step function, because when you graph, you end up with a bunch of numbers that look like steps. Here's from 0 to 0.9. Here's from 1 to 1.9. Here's from 2 to 2.9, and etc. Going down below here. Looks like that. Here we have 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, and